Oh no, I still have to send follow-up emails to 12 clients. Did I already message Sam? Did I forget David? Hello, Alex. I am RoboMailer. Why are you doing this manually?
Because
Use Python automation.
first we import the tools that talk to email servers and read client lists.
Then we create a personalized email for each client. Python automatically inserts the client's name.
That took 5 seconds? Yes, that is automated.
Instead
of 2 hours per week, it now takes 5 seconds.
Let Python do the boring work. Want more real-world Python automation projects? Subscribe and let's build smarter tools.
Instead of manually typing emails, use Python automation. This is real automation, not theory, not tutorials for fun. Real tools that save real time. Want more real-world Python automation projects? Subscribe and let's build smarter tools.